Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this high quality video on CapCut PC. Add your video to your timeline, copy and paste that. Select your second video, go to adjustments, go to curves, and put everything the other way around. Put the left dot on the very top of the grid and put the right one on the very bottom, and you're just going to do it for all of these four colors, all these four curves. Okay, make sure it's like that. Once you're done, go to effects, go to lens, and then go to blur and add it to the video. Don't add too much, maybe around 30-ish. Wait, hold on. Put it inside of the video. There you go. Then select the video, go back to the video tab, go to basic, go to blend mode, and select linear burn, and kind of adjust it a little bit. You don't want too much. Then you're going to add a white overlay on top of that. Then go to blend mode and select overlay, and also adjust the overlay on that. So go back to your second video, go to adjustments, and go to basic, and here's where you can just play around with the brightness and the contrast as well, and the highlights and the shadows and the illumination on that, and make sure you have the sharpened effect. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.